For thousands of years, humans looked to the changing world and sensed a great rhythm, a pattern written into the very heartbeat of the earth. Winter's silence, spring's rebirth, summer's warmth, autumn's fading gold. These shifting chapters of the year have shaped our food, our migrations, our festivals, and our memories. But behind the beauty of the seasons lies a story of cosmic geometry, ancient motion, and a tiny invisible tilt that changes the entire world. Imagine standing on a field during a cool spring morning. The air smells like new leaves, sunlight feels gentle, and the world stirs awake after months of cold. A few months later, the same field shimmers with heat as summer pours its golden fire across the land. A few months more, and the same field glows orange with fallen leaves as autumn whispers its arrival. By winter, the field sleeps under frost or snow. What force transforms the same place into 4 different worlds? The answer begins not on Earth, but in the vast, dark ocean of space. Earth orbits the Sun once every year, 365 days of endless motion. But if Earth simply orbited upright with no tilt, we would have no seasons at all. Every day would be the same length. Every region would receive the same sunlight year-round. There would be no spring blossoms, no winter snows, no autumn colors, just a constant, unchanging climate. But Earth is tilted, gently, beautifully, at an angle of 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the quiet artist that paints the seasons. Long ago, billions of years in the past, something massive collided with young Earth, knocking it slightly sideways. Since then, Earth has spun like a top leaning at an angle, and this lean never changes direction even as Earth circles the Sun. Imagine holding a spinning globe and slowly walking it around a lamp. The globe always leans the same way. Sometimes the top leans toward the lamp, sometimes away, sometimes neither. This is the origin of the seasons. When Earth's northern half leans toward the Sun, sunlight strikes that part more directly. Days grow longer, the Sun climbs higher in the sky. Warmth returns, flowers bloom, rivers swell with melting snow. This is summer in the northern hemisphere, while at the same moment, the southern hemisphere leans away, wrapped in winter. 6 months later, Earth reaches the other side of its orbit. Now the north leans away from the Sun. Days shrink and darken, the Sun hangs low, giving its light at a gentle angle. Cold settles in, trees sleep, animals retreat. It is winter in the north and summer in the south. Between these extremes lie the transitions, when neither hemisphere leans toward the Sun, when Earth stands momentarily balanced, day and night become equal. Light divides the planet perfectly. These moments create the equinoxes, the first day of spring and the first day of autumn. Spring ignites new life. Autumn gathers the year's final warmth and golden leaves before letting go. The seasons also shape winds, storms, ocean currents, migrations, and the entire choreography of life. Plants bloom when sunlight returns. Animals migrate to follow warmth and food. Cultures created calendars, rituals, and celebrations based on the sun's journey through the sky. The tilt of Earth has guided history, survival, and storytelling. But there is more to the story. Not all places feel the seasons equally. Near the equator, where sunlight stays strong year-round, the tilt changes little. There, seasons are measured in rain and dryness, not in temperature. Near the poles, the tilt creates powerful changes, months of constant sunlight in summer and months of near darkness in winter. Even now, Earth continues to wobble slightly over thousands of years, shifting the strength of seasons over long ages. But the core rhythm remains the same, a cosmic dance between sunlight, motion, and a tilted world. We live inside this rhythm. We feel it in our bones. We celebrate it in festivals, songs, and stories. Children wait for summer's freedom, families gather in winter's warmth, villages plant in spring, harvest in autumn. The seasons are part of what makes Earth a living world, always changing, always renewing. So the next time you feel warm summer sun or watch snow drifting from a winter sky, remember the tilt. Remember the quiet angle of Earth that shapes every flower, every storm, every harvest, and every memory across the planet. A small tilt, a great effect. The seasons, Earth's timeless, turning symphony.